Hey everyone, Aussie Viking here to do another unboxing, the first one of 2025. But we have the Christmas Metal Crate unboxing. So what happened was Metal Crate in Canada, the shipping area and people that they use had a bit of an issue with, I'm going to move that over there, had a bit of an issue with their shipping guys, the post offices over there or whatever. Had a bit of a revolt, and it took their time. Some people in America and Canada got them, but around the world and stuff they had issues, so we got them about a month or so later, which is fine. I don't care. I got the Christmas one, really nice red packaging, so you know what, yeah, I'll take it. Let's open her up. Let's see what we got. I always love these Christmas themed ones. I love the themed ones, they're the best. Ooh, I like it. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm liking what I'm feeling. Oh wow. Ooh, okay. Oh, that's sick. Okay. Okay. So we get a little ornament, which I can't put on it because we just took our tree down, but the little metal ornament, which I like. I'm keeping that. That is definitely going on the tree this year. We got a... Ooh, here we go. This is nice. This is very nice. This looks like a pentagram. If I can get it. If I can get it out. Yep, that's cool. That is sick. One of them, little pin, well, a big pin at that. Nice little holiday cheer. Very good. They gave us a sticker of, this was I think last year's or the year before's, they had that as a pin. So nice to get a little sticker of it. I actually really like it. Really good. Gimme. Likey. And then we've got the CDs and the shirt. We'll do the CDs first. Are they going to be Christmas themed? I wonder. So we got Plague Fever. That does sound pretty much like it. Full of Pestilence. That does sound pretty cool. Definitely death or black metal, I reckon. Not bad. I'll say yes to that. And then we've got... Oh, that is definitely black metal. Dark Nosferat Hash. Yeah, Bongren's Hammer. Medieval Hash. Yeah, so that's definitely a stoner type of black metal, I guess. I don't know. Backing vocals on A Witch's Stoned. Vocals bass. Dark Medieval Hash. I have to check that out. That looks amazingly stupid, and I'm all here for it. I haven't heard of those bands, but that's okay. And then we've got the very Christmassy, which I love these. I always wear them for Christmas, and I'll be wearing it this year. No presents and for no presents for Christmas. That is sick. Oh, I wish I got this early. I would have worn that to work. That is sick. Oh, guys, that is like the best Christmas shirt ever. At least one of them. That is sick. I love that. I absolutely love that. That is a 10 out of 10 right there. Alright, there we go. 10 out of 10. I love it. So, good stuff this year. Metal Crate is a subscription fee for metalheads. Really good stuff if you like metal of all forms. They are fantastic. You can get CDs, vinyls and all that. And you get some cool stuff. You get this. You get the awesome t-shirt. And you get a bit of extra sometimes with stuff like this. Overall, good stuff, 10 out of 10. Cannot wait for this month, which would be last... You know, I'll just wait for next month. Or this month. I don't know anymore. But that's good stuff. Anyway, that's Aussie Viking out. See you in Valhalla. Bye.